Alright guys, we got some live bait. Time to make our way to the jetties now. How you fishing that?
Just throwing it in there, letting it sink.
There's a mullet right there.
Come on top of the water over here. It looks like it's out. Big ass stuff. I saw like under like a spoon belly.
It might be a tarpon. Yeah. I saw it on top right now. So whatever it is, stay on top. It's out there. Just careful because it's a little slippery, but I only have 15-pound mono. But I think it would have jumped already, but like I said, my drag's light, so it might just try running out, you know what I mean? Instead of jumping and shit. But I saw him come to the top pretty quick. He's right here. I just can't see him yet. Oh no, it's a smaller red. Yeah. Yeah. He's a fat one though. Hold on, Willie, you don't gotta get too wet. Just be careful, my leader ain't strong, so you can't just force him up. Shit. Is there a rod holder somewhere?
Huh?
Is there a rod holder somewhere? Just watch my... I mean, the shrimp has... I haven't felt the shrimp move, but... Oh, homeboy hooked up again. Homeboy hooked up. Probably red. It's right there, whatever it is. It hasn't jumped. Oh, that's something good. Oh, that was a smaller tarpon. Homeboy got a red. Yeah. I know. If you want to watch this one, Weddle, come watch this one. And I'll tie up the bigger one for you. I'll get it.
This one might be a little too big.
Yeah.
Dead already.
It does. I'm gonna change mine right now. Here. Oh, homeboy hooked on. Homeboy hooked on. Oh shit! Yeah. On the live line mullet. Yeah.
Yeah.
I saw him breathing in slowly and he looked at his rod tip and set the hook. Yeah, I saw the mullet on the line. See it? You see it or no? The mullet?
Oh, shit. Good shit.
That was a good one. Come on, whoa.
Bro, I'm not.
Shit, my bad. Here, use this, I'll get out. Come on this side of me, we don't throw that way. My mullet's just swimming out that way. If you feel it get heavy and you feel a bite, let it. Like, so see how your rod is and you feel it get heavy, you put it down, and if you still feel it, put it down at the hook instead of just feeling a little nibble inside the hook.
If it's another small ass red, I'm done.
Hey, if it's a small red, that means they're here. Piggy perch. Save it for bait maybe later.
Save them.
Yeah. Güero. I saw the fin, but see, that was on cut bait, whatever. Oh, that was a bite, Güero. Oh, tarpon! Güero got a tarpon, Dad! Güero got a tarpon! Oh my god! Yeah. I don't have my bait either.
F word.
What? It's a quart.
He popped it? Or
Yeah,
no?
he popped it.
Yeah, he popped
it's
it.
because it's only 15 pound.
Yeah.
You're lucky you lasted one jump. Your line's all the way right there, but he probably only just broke your leader off. Yeah, see? Oh, he jumped, he spit the hook. Let's see. Oh, damn, he didn't even fray it. You should have said the fuck you. I mean, you did, but I just need a shrimp. It was like the same size that guy had. Yeah.
I was just sitting there and I felt the little thump and then I was like, okay. And then
I might throw a bigger shrimp out there then. What always gets a heartbreak out here, right? What always gets a heartbreak when he comes. Time to get saucy. Like they. That one's heavier, so you gotta reel it a little bit faster.
jumping for it.
Yeah, but you look like you're getting kind of close. You might wanna.
I'll throw it now.
Maybe you gotta try a different water column.
Huh?
So maybe you gotta try a different water column instead of fishing the bottom fish and made them. I don't know, I need a sip of water, I need a break because I ain't catching shit. I ain't gonna bite. At least I know this lure works when they're biting.
I don't know if Jack is you.
I don't know if he's that.
Yeah! John knows he got it.
Stay off the rocks, please. Felt the marvin too.
Huh?
Felt him on the rocks too. Oh my gosh.
Are you gonna go back inside?
see me. I just set up like 4 rods.
Set up 5. Hey, I don't even go through the fishing bag, so.
Let me get a cast out, then I'll help you out, Widow. Don't tighten your drag.
I got you.
Let it.
I'm recording.
Oh, you got it? Alright. I'll land it for him, I don't care.
Yeah.
It is.
Watch my pole.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
It's a red, baby. Yeah. Bring it down. Pretty cool. I don't mind the fight.
Gordo, it's that rod. Take it easy, Gordo. Take it easy. Alright, he's coming up. Oh, no, just go easy, go easy. Ah!
Pop the, you feel it hit the rock?
Does that when you feel it hitting the rock? Give it your slap, bro. Let it take the drag. If not, I don't know. It will come in tension.
What was that though? Cut shrimp?
I went down.
Cut?
Live shrimp.
Oh. That's exactly where I hooked mine out this morning too.
They're here though.
Yep.
They are here. Huh?
Oh, Weddle hooked up.
Weddle's on.
Hold on, Weddle. Play it slow. Let it run out.
It's running. Here.
You go, Widow. Watch it, watch it, watch it, watch it, watch it. He's gonna go in the rock. Pick it up. Take him away from that rock. Go easy, go easy. Go easy. Good stuff, boy.
Kinda coming right towards me. I don't know what it is. It gave me a bunch of head shakes.
Probably red. A little bit smaller maybe. It has to be.
I might drag loose, that's why.
No. It has to be red. Or at least.
Maybe.
Yeah, looks like it. A little bit smaller. But oh god. Probably red. On bait. He's come up. Bro, my drag's tight and he's running. Oh. Nah, I don't think so. 43. I think I finally got, I don't want to talk too soon, but oh, I feel him on the rocks. Thank God he wasn't running. Yeah, all this area is good. He's close. He's on the rocks. But they, oh my God, no. Yeah, but I feel him over on the rocks.
Big.
Nah, He's like 38. Fam, that bait, that's how it looks. That's pretty much what I caught him on. He was on it. He was nibbling on it for a while.
You're just getting smacked in the face.